Most people panic when a money app stops working, and that is the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because most of the time, the issue is not serious, but simple system errors, network problems, or account restrictions that can be fixed in minutes. In this video, we are going to break down exactly how to fix issues with the Branch in 2026 step by step, so you can get it working again without stress. Let's start with the most common problem. The first reason Branch stops working is a weak or unstable internet connection. This sounds simple, but it is the number one cause. If your app is stuck loading or not opening, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or restart your network. Now, here's what most people miss. They assume the app is broken, but often the problem is on their phone. If your app cache is overloaded, Branch may freeze, crash, or fail to load your dashboard. So here's your first real fix. Go to your phone settings, find the Branch app, and clear cache. If that does not work, clear storage and log back in. This resets temporary data that may be causing conflicts. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes Branch stops working because of server-side issues. That means the problem is not you at all. In that case, you just need to wait and try again later. Many users like Alex think their account is blocked when it is actually just a temporary outage. But here's another important issue. If your app is not letting you log in, it could be due to outdated versions. Always make sure you are using the latest version of Branch from the official App Store. Updates often fix bugs and security issues. Let's go deeper. If your cache advance or balance is not showing, it could be related to eligibility changes. Branch constantly evaluates user activity. So if your income pattern changes, your available features may also change. Now I'll show you something most people don't check. Your phone settings can also block app functionality. If you have battery saver mode or data restrictions turned on, Branch may not function properly in the background. Turn those off and restart the app. In a minute, I'll explain what to do if nothing works at all, including account-level fixes that most users never try. Now let's talk about login issues. If you cannot log in, reset your password first. Make sure your email or phone number is correct. Even small typos can block access completely. If that still fails, uninstall and reinstall the app. This removes corrupted files and gives you a clean setup. So let's summarize everything clearly. Most Branch issues come from internet problems, outdated apps, cache errors, or temporary server outages. Very few cases are serious. Almost all can be fixed with simple troubleshooting. If nothing works, reinstalling the app or waiting for server recovery usually solves the issue. If this guide helped you fix Branch not working in 2026, make sure to like the video, comment what issue you faced, and subscribe for more simple app fix tutorials.